Ufada CM Jos ubari uwei na kilingdo jangka seng selection of Don Bosco. Ubadan menta Sacred Heart Theological College ulara khi ek jingdap san pausnem kum lingdo. But ya kani ka program la pelong ha Theological College haringat ke jingan dalang ba proses ti sakmi ubari MLA ka maulai kum kongsan. Nang tau ba te bolang pathau ubari MDC kum semut kongsan ki fadan ki sister i principal ke Putmori Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ikong pi rinja ki khana school bat ki basya khot sangba syakani ke program. Syaban pelong ya ke program ke balingkot las dang syuara ke mas bekho hayumani jangka Theological College hakaba ki khana school ki la shimenta shirhem ringkat ke jingan dalang ki bayang masam jong Reverend Father CM Jos. Haba ajing keren na kani gesingi uba piti saukmi ulong ba ke jingyai linti jong Father Jos mentala san posnem kamdai ke balingkot hendai ke bejrong bat ha ke jingyai linti ke jong umat i ke jingye ke jing tenju hendai usim yakini kum ke jing tenju jong blei bat benrap nak baong bau Father George trei borba tang na ke benta ke balang hendai ula trei met ba mensim bar ula no sinyang shibon skem lang salang shushu ba piti zakmi ula ke jing sango ke bakrau yu Father CM Jos nama demu bala ala ban penkot hado ar pupra hajar ngot ki khana ki badan ya ke jing pangjam sieng tang ki bana maulai hendai ki bana jan bat ki bana jingai bat demu ban ningkong ban semar ya kani ke jing pang na kalian ki khana school ki badan marjan bat ka Theological College kila ai kublei yu Father Jos da ki jing shat ki jing rwai kum kadak banyakemen bat ban ai kublei yu nilingdo ubala trei shitom nak benta jungki batru layo e ki jing kren no Father Jos wari ka seril ubari we nak lingdo ubaya jan bah bat Father CM Jos bala portu yiki kam ki baula ale kum lingdo.
This is the gift that I have taken for myself. It was written in this way. Father usually Reverend Father Jos Shunka Puran SDB. Celebrating 50 years from Shikhi Samantha MLA, co-chairman, Meghalaya Non-Renewable Energy Development Agency, Government of Meghalaya. There is a message about this.
Then kadang-kadang pada kejungdan jauh MLA Joni bah piti sokmi ubah yukor sisa yang kadang-kadang kabar ubah siap jauh sudah kelihatan pada Joni. Then August 1989 Ubah Jos berbangan giramat hai syane panoki nokikai jom ini pertama kita bergerak yang ada panoki lendok buat ada terpot 89 kamu terkoskan suah tentang titik matematik awuskan berapa kendai apa Ubah Jos lawan syane kubu profesor teologi kamu so lifespan 21 plus 11 32 years ago life was and shua Ubah Jos ujui bahang mulai joni ikidon ikina kibadon kacumbe akabania ba uang gati pande kaya na kerja kikina kibasyan dinge agadian kejimjam usia. Likewise and so on. But hard to mental Don Bob, uralaban sumar, lambat kinungyarap ketemu 28,000 dikigena. Arbo prakajar nun dikigena uralaban sumar. Na pulang yang pada siang jongi. Asma kene ngaku apa na? Apin pau kecikaman nama pa MLA jongi bagi kisah kami urang ne. Sebab tak timo. Lese katsaskan shua ubahal ko pinyai ka por ka program ka benta jobi pro ubahal mati George ulang ko yang chief minister ka por na benta ka program na benta ki benar ka ni jam share bang hari kita yo tayo lese ulang to ka newspaper mbak pro yang ni ubahnya na bagi don kids problem Meghalaya.
God will bless you, and I'm sure that you will continue in your journey. You have proven yourself as a dreamer, and I'm sure that when you was a boy, you have only a dream how to become a priest, how to become a citizen, how to become a father and a father among the church. You have completed us as a father, but you are not satisfied. Whatever that your thing to be a priest, what you need is to do something for the society. Society will not forget you. Yeah, I can say that you have completed whatever the Lord says that you have taken care for the poor. That is a very important as humanity. Service to humanity is service to God. And I can say that you have fulfilled that. God is very much pleased with you, because you have fulfilled whatever the God says. And I'm sure that the heart that you have, it is a heart that God has considered you to do good for the society as a whole. God has a purpose for you, a purpose for me. Another has a purpose. But the purpose of God to be good, to do good for the community and the society as a whole. I can take a pangi pada Jews yang dapat san poskan kalau kamu selesai bila kekui yang dikejar di san poskan pada Jews lagi ini jogi ipa jogi menjogi di banyak besar lagi di banyak san barof lagi show lagi bila kekui yang dikejar san poskan kamu selesai Raih di syakri dan ada pulau jauh lagi. Keservis ini kamu tak apa jauh balak, jangan sampai di jauh lagi. Tidak ada juga di Shibun kiai bagi kamu. Kita nak tak implan sah. Yom bagi syakri yang para beliau, kalau bagi syibta bagi syakri jauh lagi. Padahal itu kuat betul. Ikna kibadan di bawah kota. Dalam plan jobi, saya ada di Cimpuri, selong di Pramsa, selong di Doktor, selong di Nas, selong di Sister, selong di Father, selong di MLA yang di CPMP dan LP. Ada ni scam, yang property, asyong tak apa macam trace tahu jobi. Ikhlas tu, di belum kita di sini dan kamu berdoa mah sebagai besok. Dan beberapa sebenarnya berkuih pi, terkadang pi hanya jemput itu pi, inang kiau, nam nabo kena aku, apa nak kiau siapa? Dan mohon nak yang bisa belajar, kejutan hati, atau balang mohon nak yang juga menolong sister, menolong father, ipa juga di dalam taxi, ibu juga jadi long, ibu juga sudah hard, ibu juga dalam isu jujur. Bejolah di kubur atau mana belum di dunia. Kau baru ada korban dalam bila belum di dunia. Kajindo kalau sendiri. Asal korban asal apa kajindo joki. Ikhna tak miskin. Terus benar dua isu lain. Dua isu yang sendiri. Ibarat isu yang sendiri. Isu lain. Maka jitu juga apa belum di dunia. Bagi kita juga menolong dinasis Jikamu juga menolong dokter, jikamu juga menolong beliau di berkau, beliau berkau di mana bagi yang duduk besok. Nugan menolong malah ekaman kesini yang jikamu berjoki, jikamu berjoki dah menolong dan apa yang di Islam, menolong kesini dipakai oleh Syaitan. Saya siap nak ada jemaah dengan berkor, ayat mereka panggil pada jus, mereka kuih. Ai jingkot ke tiap mereka cepat untuk ministry ke jogi. Pada setiap mobil berkumpul depan, mereka tu bisa teruskan. Pada sebelum terus cepat mereka support dia. Dibanding dengan belum jumlah pada pulang sama di berapa ini. Ai boleh depan di dokter di bas kunjung dengan tim jauh pada jus, di berkerja pada jus. Warna lengkap dalam rangka dengan ministry. Academic ministry itu tambah jus berapa? Mereka juga syarat dilanggarkan jauh kibai-kibai. Tim ini community dalam ayat sebagai syakri kebakaran. Pada setiap kejiwaan ini dengan kuat betul. Anu sukuman dari jus. Kejiwaan ini oleh kebakaran. Maka kejiwaan ini ayat syakri. Aku tak ingat salah. Karena kepentas lagi. Jangan bangun buruk, jangan bangun ingin buruk. Padahal juga kuat yang bangun suku. Jadi pada jus dia dapat salah di berapa. Tapi community mana sempat pada jus melanggar syakri Muhammad yang tak kenal salah di berapa. Saya siap bersyukur pada jus dia kejiwaan dia. Bersyukur.
Pada jus lawan yaitu kegingnya tu kanamo. Yang lain minta kesini lah yaitu kegingnya tu kanamo ulas namo. So fine now. Okay, thank you very much, Jus, for all your support as a friend all through these years. Your presence here gives me a lot of joy, and you will be celebrating your jubilee, I know, in the parish, and I will come and join you there also. Surely to that moment. I'm very privileged that the superior from our neighboring convent is here, Sister Teresa. Other sisters who have come together with her. We have the principal of the Presbyterian School, Budmavadi, and the vice principal also. And thank you very much for being here. It is so wonderful that your presence adds a lot of joy to us. Then all of you, my dear friends, without mentioning the name of any of you, every one of you who has come, my friends, teachers of the various schools where we are working, where our children are, so many volunteers, doctor who spoke about me just now, Dr. Linda, who spoke so beautifully from your heart, Dr. Linda, thank you very much for what you said. It was a tremendous encouragement for me. Near to her, you will find Colonel Celia, for example, who is sitting representing all those nurses who have been helping us all along. And by the side, you find, One sister only is here just now, but she is representing. She's an MSMHC sister and she's a nurse herself. But she's like a doctor who comes the first when we start before anybody else comes, and she is there and she keeps helping right from the beginning till the end. She would come to Bhubanesh would not bring the jump Baroki items jumpy. Let me just mention some of them. That is we have the prayer dance by St. Aloysius, the Jubilee song also by St. Aloysius. Then we have a dance from Caring Literacy Program. We have the song from Don Bosco Secondary School, Nongsoleo. We have the dance of RCLP Umsao. We had the dance from Freddy and Banshan Lang. We had the song from Lapin Shai Lapinpon, who joined together to sing. And we still have other items that are coming. The cultural dance from St. Luke and the word of thanks from Brother Albert. But then the whole thing was also guided by one of my senior boys from here. And he's also doing well, and I'm sure he will become a very great success in his life, and I'm sure of that. And together with him, many other boys and girls who are studying in different parts of India. Some of them who are studying for nursing, there's someone doing her engineering now. She's just completing her term in Chennai, and she has already got a job, a job to begin with. Like that, we have also a number of others working in Kerala as beauticians and all that. All these are just representing all those who have enjoyed the benefits of this program, not because of me, but because of God and our Blessed Mother and Don Bosco. That is the beginning of everything. Everything begins with Him, our God, our dear God, because He loves us and He sent us into all this to join with Him to work, that's all. And together with that, we had also people like, Father Kelly George, who died when he was just 50. He was the one who took up from me when I left from here. I would like to remember him with gratitude. And after him came Father Shaji, and after Shaji came Father Manju Joy, and once again Father Shaji came back, and between I came 2-3 times, and like this. A lot of people are involved in this. And if I mention the name of the doctors and the nurses and the teachers and all the collaborators, the brothers who have gone by in all these years, the sisters from here and from elsewhere who are helping us, it's an endless list, and so I'm not mentioning them by name, but I would just like to thank everyone. Not only that, we can do nothing without money, no? And there is also, that help also comes, as I told you, from our MLA, Mr. Sri Roses. He has helped me not only now for today, but also for building those houses in Nongsoleo for the road. There was no road there at all. It was simply some kind of a park. But then he stepped in there and he helped so much in order to improve on that. That's why at least people can move. He has promised also that he will help complete that work so that it will be a much better road. That's why I really thank you, sir, and I thank everyone together with the supporters of the. But without mentioning names, there are also lay persons and friends of mine sitting in this audience who have also helped with money, their time, with food, with so many different ways for the children and for the work that they are doing. What is the message that I want to tell you, my dear friends? While I thank all of them for all this help, and my own family members have come, I feel so proud that my cousin sister and her own immediate family, two of them have come together. Vanessa and Christo, my cousin sister's name is Mary, and my nephew is here, Vipin, my eldest brother's son. My sisters and all wanted to come, but unfortunately, it was not possible because of the circumstances, and so they are present here. Thank you very much that you are here. It adds so much joy to my celebration today, and your presence for that. Tangan kita juga ingin kesanjungi. Tangan kita juga community juga. Kita menjadi factory parapai. Naman pang imparong ilong ikun jong play. We are all the children of God, isn't it? That is why we must not live only for ourselves. We must not only help and serve ourselves. Reach out to as many people as possible. Somebody has the time, somebody has the money, somebody has the know-how like the doctors and the teachers and all that. Somebody else has got a lot of ideas for organizing, somebody else has got other type of initiative. When we all come together, we can do so much good. That is why, for example, even from the Presbyterian community, we have people here, and that is something wonderful. I feel so proud because we must work together. Wherever we are, we must work together. We are different, but the difference is not something that keeps us apart. The difference is a richness that must once again come together in order to embellish and improve the quality of our life and our service. We can do it. So my dear friends, it does not matter where I come from. I come from Kerala. Others come from Tamil Nadu or Gujarat or Garo Hills or Kasi Hills or Mizoram or Nagaland or Assam. It does not matter. It does not matter. We are all human beings and we are all children of God, and we must help each other. We must help each other so that all can have peace, all can have joy, all can have success. We cannot give complete joy and peace and success to anybody. That is not within our power. But God asks us to do our little bit. Tattva, Nila, Idevan, Shakri, Idevan I, Idevan Yara, Patkuble, Unsatre, Jankarpani, Van Kirku, Yaknega, Dintre, Yumiru, Namatva, Baro, Yakne, along Jinge, Tumble, Nakadumi. Is it not? No? And that is what we remember. So I will not carry on. If I have left out anybody in mentioning here, my dear friends, all of you have come and all of you have participated, all of you have taken charge of different things. Please excuse me, but also from the press, I think people have come also because they all believe to yakin baro, kamtame, ineki kirna jumi, namanwa baro, kandunga jompi, nabaye. When I kublai yakin baro, mindalan kwa, ban letuno. Nakwa ban daka motor jonga ban tem ban put yakawe ke dikrwai nanti mo motor ke di tip kay ka motor ke yakani mo. Alright, so I just play one tune for you just to say thank you to God and to thank you to all of you.